Texas. Are you wondering what makes us an elite paint protection shop? Well, I'm gonna give you some insight to our process and show you what sets us apart. Come check it out. First, we remove any easily accessible pieces that might be hiding pieces of dirt that can get under your film, even on brand new cars. Then, we always decontaminate the car. This includes a foam cannon wash, iron and fallout remover, and clay bar, which removes any embedded particles from the paint. Next, we use foam and a special brush to dislodge remaining dirt from the crevices of the vehicle. We then prep all of the edges with a special solution to remove any oils, waxes, and even remove existing ceramic coating. This reduces the chance of edges lifting. We then use our advanced software and plotter to print many of the patterns. This ensures accuracy of fit and reduces the amount of hand cutting needed. We extend the patterns whenever possible to reduce visible edges. Next, we install your paint protection film. We always follow top-tier installation procedures as taught by our nation's best trainers. We always wrap edges whenever possible to make the film as seamless as we can. Finally, we spend a considerable amount of time tucking, trimming, and heating edges, giving you the cleanest install possible. Almost all clients opt to install ceramic coating on the entire vehicle afterwards, ensuring an easy cleanup. If you're ready to protect that new vehicle, click the button below to get started.